We are going to start by making a slip knot, and to do that you're going to use this, both your middle finger and the thumb, to hold this tail of your yarn just this way. Then you're going to use your hook this way and grab the yarn and hold this too, just like this. Okay, then you're going to yarn over. So to yarn over, the hook is facing up, so just put it under and yarn over, then do that again, and then you hold the tail and you drag it. Okay, so here you have your slip knot. It's as adjustable as you can see. Okay, so you just put it the way you want, to the size of loop you want. Okay, so right now we're gonna chain up 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then we're going to insert our hook in the last chain and make a slip stitch. Now for round 1 we are going to chain 3, and this 3 counts as a triple crochet. Then yarn over, go into that circle and make 1 triple crochet. Okay, so this is how I make my triple crochet. Okay, so this last loop is gonna be small, so I'm just gonna yarn over, put through the 1 loop, yarn over, put through 2 loops, yarn over, put through 2 loops. Okay, so I have 2 triple crochet right now. So you're gonna chain up 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then yarn over, go into that space and make a triple crochet. Actually, you're going to make 3 triple crochet. So this is 2 and 3. Now you're gonna chain up 6 and make 3 triple crochet again. Okay, so we need a total of 6 of these triple crochets, and also the 6 chains. Okay, so this one we are gonna finish up when we get to the end of the round. So we automatically have 3 of these right now, so I'm gonna do 3 more, and don't forget your 6 chains. So I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so here I have 6 clusters of this three triple crochets. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this, we have only 2 triple crochet right here. Okay, so after this last 6 these 6 chains, I am going to go into this space and make 1 triple crochet. So I will locate the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch right there. Okay, so this one is complete just like the others. So this is what our first round look like. Okay, so the essence of doing this, we just wanted to finish in the middle. Okay, so for round 2 we're gonna chain 1 and go into the chain 6 space and make a single crochet, then make 1 double crochet. Actually, you were supposed to make half double crochet, 1 double crochet, but I'm not a fan of half double crochet, so you could, do yours the way you want. But if you're doing with me, so just go ahead with it. You just make the 1 double crochet, short, not long, so that it will correspond with a single crochet. Then after the half double crochet, single crochet and 1 double crochet, I'm going to make 7 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you make 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet, then chain 1, then skip the first triple crochet, go into the second one, which is also the middle one, go right there and make a slip stitch, then chain 1, then come into the skip this and come into the chain 6 space and repeat what we did here. So I'm just going to repeat it one more time, then leave you to the rest. Okay, now you're going to make a single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 7 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make 1 double crochet, a single crochet, chain 1, skip the first triple crochet, go over to the middle one, which is also the second, make a slip stitch, chain 1, and continue. So continue repeating this. I'll meet you at the end of the round right here to show you what to do next. Now I'm done with mine. I'll chain 1 and go into the middle triple crochet right here and make a slip stitch. Then I'm gonna tighten it and chain 1, tighten, grab my scissors and cut the yarn off. Then pull it out, tighten it.